Welcome to the future of luxury, power, and style. This is not just a car video, this is a vision of 2027. We are combining powerful boys, names with future supercars of 2027 to create legendary identities. This is confidence. This is success. This is future lifestyle. Get ready for the most futuristic list ever. Top 5 boys names with 2027 cars. Number 5. Name Ion car BMW M5 2027 Future Edition. Ion with the BMW M5 2027, a future luxury beast. Smart technology, hybrid power, and aggressive design. This combo represents calm intelligence with hidden power. Not loud, but unstoppable. A future king's ride. Number compact name Hamza car. Audi RS7 2027 future model. Hamza with the Audi RS7 2027. A machine built for dominance, AI driving systems, futuristic interior, and brutal performance. This combo represents leadership and authority. People don't follow noise, they follow power. Number ketiga name Sayan car, Lamborghini Huracan 2027 future concept, see concept aggressive design. Electric hybrid power, futuristic aerodynamics. This combo represents fearless ambition and star energy. Built to be seen, built to be remembered. Number kedua name Arham car Ferrari SF90 2027. Next Gen Edition Arham with the Ferrari SF90 2027. Next Gen hybrid technology, AI performance systems, smart interior design. This combo represents intelligence-driven success. Not just fast, but future-proof. Number 1 legendary future combo. Name Ali car Bugatti Chiron 2027 future hypercar. Ali with the Bugatti Chiron 2027, the future king of hypercars. Electric hybrid hyper engine, autonomous AI systems, royal design. This is not transport, this is domination. This is not lifestyle, this is legacy. This is future royalty on wheels. Outro. Now, it's your turn. Comment your name, plus your 2027 dream car below. If your name is in this video, type 27 in the comments. Like the video. Subscribe for more future luxury content. Because the future doesn't belong to followers, it belongs to dreamers.